something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never